Today we're building a paver pad, a little bit unusual because we have a shed going on top of it rather than, you know, patio furniture and whatnot. We're building on a little bit of a hill today, so we're going to have a much more structurally sound side on this side with like a foot or extra wide base underneath the wall. Other than that, this is one thing really going on out here. We have a small project today. We just kind of show up, bust this pad out for a few days and be gone. It's a simple one.